What's up, sir? What's going on? Gloves working out good. Looking fresh to death. Well, I don't know where all our youngins at. Got nothing but the old heads, OGRs out here. Yeah! My first one for the season. That's a ghost. Yeah. Happy to see you, sir.
They said you can come in over there by that gate.
Oh, they did? I ain't know that.
Call you back.
Oh.
He was trying to point that way, but he decided to come around.
Oh, that's cool. I saw something slick inside, so. Miss Pizzeria.
Easy got that VIP parking.
VIP parking, that GR parking.
You messed up the rotation.
Look at that. Oh,
We was going Alpine Stars boots today.
I got the sub, yeah. Okay. Thank you. Hey, you can use some of these fries. Yeah, look. Nah, I got the bag, you know. I look, it say Alpine Stars. I eat some of these fries up. Yeah, that's a lot of food. And look, the last time I put extra meat on it, you know. This go no more. Should we all go for it, man? More, eat more than one more.
The safe word.
Put a hurting on. I'm not supposed to be eating these fries.
Safe word.
Fuck all that.
Come on,
You got them in there?
We supposed to
Hey,
be.
Oz, you
Chris,
do-
we supposed to be taking a picture.
Huh?
Everybody's
You
still
call me?
my fan.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I ain't in this one. You know, I was in the last one. Oh, wait a minute.
KP, get more in there.
All y'all get in.
Can I squeeze in it?
We gotta pretend we like each other in the third.
Oh, we don't like each other?
I like you.
Am I in it?
Half your forehead.
Half my forehead
Your
in?
ear, your left ear.
What about now?
KP step in. KP like that lady.
KP at?
What about me? Most in the arm. Hold up.
Oh, who I block out?
Head is in the way.
Now, hold on, come this way, KB. Like, come this way.
Mo is in
If I could get off the chair, then I, you know.
trash today. Cause they need more pay. Buses on strike for a